give meanings. Nestles is close to. Rolling, extending in long gentle slopes. Fragrance, pleasant smell. Symposium, a meeting at which experts have discussion on a particular subject. Presses horn, persuades someone to do something. Discriminate, treat one person or group better or worse than another in an unfair way. Gender, fact of being male or female. Laments, expresses grief and sorrow. Subjugated, controlled and dominated over. Glorified, praised. Pioneer, a person who is among the first to take up a cause, especially in a new region. Testify, provide proof, evidence. Civilizing, educating. Throw light on, to give information or explanation about. Legal, related to law. Potential, the qualities that exist and can be developed. Under the aegis, with the protection or support of a particular organization or person. Dimensions, aspects. Elimination, getting rid of. Answer the following questions. Make a list of the beautiful natural surroundings of the house. A small stream of crystal clear water, the green mountains, a stretch of hundreds of acres of fertile land with yellow mustard flowers, a garden in front of the house, many kinds of trees bearing flowers of different colors and fruits, fragrant jasmine plants. What help did Lantoy need from her mother? Lantoy was going to speak on the topic God created men and women as equals at her school. She wanted to have some discussion with her mother on the topic. What did Lantoy's father work as? Lantoy's father Tomba is a lawyer and a social worker who advocates the cause of women. In what way did Tomba contribute towards Ashangbi's success? Tomba is supportive of Ashangbi's activities. He is always proud of his wife and children. In times of need, he helps his wife and children. He does not discriminate between a man's work and woman's work. He shares equally with Ashangbi in doing the household chores like cooking, washing, etc. How did mother explain Lantoy's topic for a speech at school? Lantoy's topic for a speech was God created men and women as equals. Ashangbi explained to Lantoy that God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally, to share his blessings and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. Hence, men and women are equals and should be treated as such. How is the role of a mother honored and praised? The mother is said to be the fountain of love in the family. This bond of love cannot be compared to anything else in the world. Motherhood has been glorified because of this, and therefore women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. What are the achievements of modern women? Modern women have become mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, political leaders, soldiers. What social justice does the aegis of the United Nations guarantee? Social justice which the aegis of the United Nations guarantees is equal access to basic social services including health and education, equal participation in political and economic decision making, equal reward for social work and removal of discrimination and violence against women. What vision meets a high when Lantoy rushes outdoors? When Lantoy rushes outdoors, she is welcomed by the bright morning sun. The blue sky and a range of mountains appear to meet. Lantoy is fascinated by a small trail which goes winding up the distant purple mountain. What does that vision symbolize? The vision which Lantoy sees when she rushes outdoors symbolizes a positive and bright future for Lantoy and for the women of the country. Find from the lesson words, phrases that mean the following. Colors, use. A person who writes for newspapers, magazines, journalist. Make a difference between, discriminate. Cry over, lament. Explain in detail, throw light on. abilities and qualities, potential, same availability, equal access. A person who brings about a social, political change, activist. Pick out 5 compound words from the lesson. Anywhere, household, crystal clear, courtyard, middle aged. Answer in your own words. Read and write down 5 points which prove that Tomba, Lantoi's father, firmly believes in gender equality. Tomba is supportive of Ashangbi's activities as a women's rights activist. He advocates the cause of women. He does not discriminate between a man's work and woman's work. He shares equally with Ashangbi in doing the household chores like cooking, washing, etc. He tells Lantoi that the world is still full of inequalities and they have to find a way to bring equality between men and women. In what ways is Ashangbi different from other women of her community? Ashangbi is a journalist. She is a women's rights activist. What are the provisions in the Declaration of the United Nations to ensure equality of men and women? The provisions in the Declaration of the United Nations to ensure equality men and women are equal access to basic social services including health and education, equal participation in political and economic decision making, equal reward for equal work, elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Who said to whom and when? Why? The world is full of inequalities. Tomba said to Lantoi when he is discussing gender equality with his daughter. I want to do something interesting. Lantoi said to Ashangbi when she wants to discuss something with her mother. It is against the will of God. Ashangbi said to Lantoi when she is talking about the subjugation of women. Our home is full of love. Lantoi said to Ashangbi when she is discussing gender equality with her mother. We can affirm along with United Nations that men and women are equal. Ashangbi said to Lantoi when Lantoi asked her about the provisions available to enable women to express their potential and set themselves free from suppression. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences and name their types. What do you want to do? You, personal pronoun. It is because of your father that I feel no inequality. Your and I, personal pronoun. This is what your topic means. This, demonstrative pronoun. Your, personal pronoun. She is fascinated by the small trail which winds up the mountain. She, personal pronoun. Which, relative pronoun. Read the following lines. Imagine it is the beginning of an instance you have experienced. Complete the incident using your imagination. Give it a positive ending. I had often noticed that in my neighbor's family, the son was greatly pampered, but the daughter was treated unfairly. I could not bear this. So one day I decided to. I had often noticed that in my neighbor's family, the son was greatly pampered, but the daughter was treated unfairly. I could not bear this. So one day I decided to initiate a conversation with the parents about gender equality. I approached them with empathy and shared stories of successful women who had broken stereotypes. They seemed hesitant at first but agreed to listen. Over the next few weeks, we had open discussions about the importance of equal opportunities for their daughter. I also encouraged the daughter, Sunita, to pursue her interests and talents. With time, her confidence soared. Her parents too began to see her potential. Eventually, they decided to enroll Sunita in extracurricular activities and support her academic ambitions just as they had done for their son. As Sunita thrived, the entire family began to appreciate the beauty of gender equality. It not only improved Sunita's life but also strengthened their bond as a family, promoting fairness and respect for all.